diesel at the Sodor Cup. Nia's pulling ahead to finish. I win. But Nia saved the ducks.
Not fair. I didn't have any ducks to save on my track, so I still won the race.
Oh my, looks like everyone is ready for the Sodor Cup.
Yeah, engines from all over the world are coming to race.
I'm looking for engines to help the racing teams practice. If you're interested...
Me! I am! Me!
The Sodor Cup is about teamwork and trying new things. For these Sodor Cup games, you'll start by trying new partners.
I can't wonder who my partner will be.
Beginning with Thomas and Verona, Nia and Kenji, Diesel and Frederico. Ah, there you are, Diesel. Now then, Kana and Riff. And finally, Percy and Jiff. We have 4 events to test your skills. Starting with an egg race. Teams will cross the Blue Mountain Hills to arrive at McColl's farm. To succeed, you will need to be fast and steady. The team who arrives last, or with broken eggs, will be eliminated from the games.
On your mark, get set, go!
Let's go!
I sure hope Con and Riff slow down. I'd hate for them to lose their eggs.
Our eggs! Kana! I can't look! Oh no!
Oh no! If we speed up, we can get out of the way.
I've got another idea, but we'll have to slow down. Thomas! Use steam to keep the eggs in the air!
You've got this, Diesel!
It's a Percy perfect landing.
We won!
Where are your eggs, Kana?
Huh? Where are the eggs?
They flew off! I couldn't watch!
To succeed in this race, you must arrive with all your cargo.
Oh.
Kana, Riff, since you didn't complete the delivery, I'm afraid you won't be playing the next round of games.
It's okay, Kana. We had a great practice race together.
Oh? Look out! Here we come! Thomas and Verona! All eggs accounted for.
My oh my! Thomas, Verona, you're heading to the next round in first place.
First place! Wow! Thanks for catching my eggs, Percy. I should have been more careful.
I'm happy to help, but it was Nia who had the excellent idea and made sure they didn't break.
Nia, you didn't have to do that. You were right behind me. You could have won.
Well, I do like to win, but I also like to look out for my friends.
Remember, there are 3 more chances to win in the Sodor Cup Games.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah!